Hello friends, today we are going to talk about that how we can register our brand on Amazon. So you have to log in your Amazon seller account and then you have to go to brands tab and click on all brands benefit. And then you will see this page, and here you have to click on view registered brands, and on next page you have to click on enroll in brand registry. From here you can enroll your brand on Amazon. uh, on this page you have to write all the information related to your brand to get approval from Amazon. So in the first tab you have to write your brand name with correct spellings, and in the second option you have to select the trademark office. So in my case it is USPTO, so I have selected already USPTO. And in the third option you have to write the registration number or the serial number of your trademark. So here I will write the registration number or the serial number of my brand. So my registration number is 975 and 173. And then you have to after writing this, then you have to click on verify. Amazon will verify this. After this you have to select the trademark type. It is word mark or it is design mark. In my case it is word mark. And then you have to type the product information here. In very first tab you have to write the website. So I have just write the website of my brand. If you don't have, you can keep it empty because this is optional. And here you have to upload the images of your product. So I will upload the images of my product here. You can upload one image, and also if you want you can upload the multiple images in this tab. And after uploading it will take some time, so let's wait until it should be uploaded here, and then we will proceed to the next page. Okay, so now you have to click on next, and here you have to provide the other information related to your brand. You are the seller, definitely you sell your products directly to customers using Amazon Seller Central. Here you have to select the merchant token. So I have selected all the markets where I want to use this brand, and then you have to scroll down, and I do not see my selling account. If you do not see your selling account merchant ID here, then you can click on this tab. So in my case I have already my token ID, so I will just keep these empty. Here you have to describe the category of your product. So in my case it is grocery, so I just have selected the category of my product, and here you have to write the Amazon standard identification number of your product, which is also known as SN. So you can just go to your Amazon seller account homepage, and then you will see the SN in your product detail page. So in manage inventory, just copy the SN from here of your product if you have listed it. So just copy the SN and then paste that SN in the tab. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so just copy the SN and paste it here, and then click on next. Distribution information. Does your brand sell to distributors? In my case it is no. So if in your case it is yes, you can just tap on yes. Where are your brand's products distributed? It's optional, you can keep this empty. And license information, if you are sharing with someone else, then you can type yes, otherwise you can just tap on no, and then you have to click on submit. So this is the procedure with which you can register your brand on Amazon. Amazon will analyze your application. Amazon will analyze the information you have provided related to your brand, the registration number, the ASINs, the images of the part, and the category you have selected. And they will also verify from USPTO office, and they will also verify the trademark information related to your brand, and then Amazon will approve your brand and then you will be able to register, list your product, and then also you will be able to make your store on Amazon. So if you like this video, just click on subscribe to follow the channel. Thank you so much.